Hello, hello. Trying to get the cart right now to drag the field. This field's looking sloppier since we stopped playing in January. Dirt is really hard, super dry. Grass growing on the infield. Want to see if we can get it going better. We gotta get the cart. Cart's coming out of here. The Batmobile. We'll drag the field and we'll see if we can get it going. Maybe I could get the keys. I don't know if they'll let me. What's up, Elijah? Eli. And we got the staff here. The staff is there. They're gonna bring the cart. I don't think they're gonna lend it to me. They're gonna do it themselves, which is cool. I'm cool. It's coming out of there, the Batmobile. See if we get the field going. Be a nice little. By the time we get the field drag, we'll be done with the warm-ups. We'll be good to go. Here we go. The Batmobile's coming out. I don't want to record them, weird them out. All right, let's see. Boy Mom checking in. How you doing, Boy Mom? And there it is, the Batmobile. Boom. Ready to go. You want me to do it or you got it? You got it? Okay, cool. They're gonna do it right now. Come over here so we catch them. It'll make for a cool video if I'm recording and doing the field, but they don't want to let me do it. So that's cool. I don't mind. I don't want to break anything anyways. Let's see, which way they're going? Probably gonna go that way. Let's see. Here it is. Coach Pete. Rocking the Jays hat. And here comes the city employees. About to drag the field. Yeah. Here we go. Let me ask them if I could join them. All right, maybe not. Let's see. Let's see. Gotta drop that. Hard as a rock. Pick that up. Here we go. Action. All right, I paused it for a second. Just had to make sure I let him know that I was going to record and I was doing a live. That way he didn't get weirded out. And I'm going to say action in a bit. Let's tighten it up. It's Coach Jose over there swinging a bat. We have, here's Liz, how you doing? 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right now there's 11 kids. sure there's a few more kids running late. A couple of kids said they're running late, so we'll see. Nobody's on the field, so we're getting them to drag the field for us. Soccer season is starting up over here, so when the soccer season takes over in the city, they pass it over to the city, to the soccer programs, and they don't want anybody on the field hitting the ball, of course. That's the way it goes. April and May are the hardest months to get a baseball field. I don't know, is anybody else having that issue? We have a couple of fields we've used. We have Southgate. We have permits in Southgate. We have permits in Downey and Montebello. Our Montebello permit just expired. Soccer season's about to start on April 21st, is what they said, and they didn't want to renew us until June. So I will be doing a camp here in June. Those of you who have kids that are trying to find a program for your kids, sign them up. If you have nephews, people trying to learn the sport of baseball, trying to get some reps in, trying to get some batting practice, I'm going to be running a camp right here in the summer. Right now I don't have the hours exactly, but we have 9 to 12. We have 9 to 12, but I'm not going to do a 3-hour camp for people. I'm going to break them up into parts for different age groups. You can't put a 5-year-old with a 12-year-old kid. That'd be too crazy. But yeah, if you're interested, hit me up, sign them up, get them going. I don't have the dates. The dates, yes, I do. I just can't remember at the top of my head. There we go. Field's looking a little bit better. Move the bases out of the way. Move the base out of the way. Base. This will be my one live stream for the day. And that's it. Out of here.